Hello. Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog, courtesy of your boy Ismash. You don't know in today's vlog now. By the way, I hope you guys like my last vlog. I sold my truck. 2 weeks ownership. After 2 weeks ownership, in today's video now, I am at Hope Zoo. Where is this? This is on Hope Road, I believe. So I'm at Hope Zoo with the farm Millie. I was just, gonna take a calm little tour of the zoo itself and see if we can enjoy ourselves and, see what's going on, So yeah. And here's the empty man. They need some water. Cause them cold-blooded, so them no homeostasis, as they call, take place. Then they regulate their own body temperature. So they need water. Cool them down. We don't even have anybody to ask what's her name or his name. Or is it a croc? Is it a alligator?
Crocodile.
Yeah, I know it's a crocodile, but just somebody to say.
Yeah, sign right there.
Where is it? American crocodile. Did you know crocodiles cannot what? Chew because their jaws can only move up and down. Fun fact again. I say call crocodile. I say call crocodile around. So I just eat alone in there. Not a croc in there. And so much don't send it. No movement. I don't know. Tutu.
Love them, respect them, blue and blue mouth. From Brazil.
Macau.
America.
That's beauty. It's beauty right there. That's beauty right there. Love them, respect them, accept them, protect them. Hello. That's all most parrots know that. Hello. Basic knowledge. Hello. When parrots go to bird school, all they do and go elementary go learn. Hello. Secondary. Hello. So just learn them basic knowledge of just say hello. And then get them PhD, hello. It's not a duck, cute man. It's not a duck. Is that a duck or a swan? Let me show you. Duck or swan? Comment down below. Oh, they don't you remember the bird? Jesus, General. These are beautiful. These birds are beautiful.
Badness, man, no bring
different scold man. When I come from? Yeah, you have Spain man name, Korean night. So guys, back then, how long ago was it there with Odie?
Oh, like
back then, probably 10 years ago. We used to have this bird, our first pet, and it's not dog yet. This bird called Odie. We named him Odie, O for Orion, D for Dashan. And that was like our first pet, so you don't know, so that one of our closest sibling, we could have called it our next sibling to us, and that bird died when an hurricane did kill it, no, but it accidentally leave him outside overnight and then it sick out. The next day we go for the bird, sick out. And a couple days after I'm passing, my father never tell me exactly when after I'm passing, we just realize, say, you know, come to realize, say, we just not see bird again. Then he say, you know, say, I did the bird, it did. But that bird was our first pet, and memorabilia seeing these other parts. Anyways, let's get on with the tour. We're seeing enough birds in today. So there's a lot of different, it's a different part, but enough birds. Birds, we need to see
some 4 foot.
Rhino. Rhino over there. What else we need to see? We need to see some hyena. You know, I'm gonna feel like that real safari. You know? Come on, princess. That's not going up there.
Oh, mongoose this.
It's an Indian mongoose. Indian mongoose. The mongoose can't climb this. Mr. Mongoose climb
no,
wicked on this already.
This was vertical.
Yeah. Jump down there like a savage. Jump down there, my youth. This vlog na youth. This vlog na youth. When it's me check it content and views na youth. Alright, no mongoose na there, sir. Eagle or hawk here for real. Then I'll go no closer than this.
Yo!
Look there.
That's beautiful.
Hold on, man, I have something on my phone. Up. Let's see. Right here. Ready?
They look like it.
Ready? Hey, my look. Hey. Hey, what I look at it. Okay, again, let me show you. Look when I play. You see him? Look, my person now. Can I go on pony?
No,
Miniature horse. Oh, alright, cool. Can't touch it? Yes, horsey. Yes, horse. Miniature horse. So a normal breed then get breed like horse and horse? Oh, but in does not grow up it?
No.
I just want breed a small.
Just like we have.
Dwarf. Oh.
The medium small.
Okay, for real. Alright, cool. Guys in blue. Cool, alright, respect. Alright. See. My G's walking around with a pony. Talking about his miniature horse. It's a pony, man. It's not a pony. It's a pony, man. You're walking around with a pony.
With an ostrich farm.
With a pony. Oh, I see that. Oh. Come kick me. Gee, stubborn, man. Oh! You guys saw that? You're nasty. You are one. You are one nasty beast, man.
Come any closer. I'm give him 5 more steps. 1, 2.
He's going to just come 100 miles per hour.
You can't touch me, you know, I'm sure of that.
Guys, ostrich. I once was as fast as an ostrich, but I'm a retired athlete. I'm retired. Alright, go move on, cause you know entertaining. We need an animal to do it for the vlog. We need to find some animal or a animal. We do it for the vlog. Otherwise than that, not really. Make it famous, you know.
Oh, then in a cage.
I know they want to clean up donkey feces. Donkey fecal. Alright, this look like snook. No, iguana. Persons in Cayman Island. Where else? Trinidad and Tobago. I doubt them have iguana in their zoo because iguana just a run up and down on them road. Them a eat them. Wait, me say razor. What when go again? Guyana or Grenada, one of them places there. And them eat one iguana. A iguana or alligator. One of them, oh, Jesus, please. Anyways, people away at Jamaica alone I really eat them. Matter if it's legal. Yeah. Protect them, yo. Protect them. I don't know what over here, so I guess it's another iguana and fully camouflaged, so can't see food over there, so.
Sea turtle.
Wait, oh, is that a turtle? 2 turtles, yeah. Alright. So everybody have iguana elsewhere in our world, but we alone have this type of iguana. Aye. Jamaican iguana. Protect them. See me can find a fun fact. Did you know the Jamaican iguana was considered extinct in the 1990s? The Jamaican iguana was rediscovered by Mr. Blah 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 blah. Alright, cool. Jamaican iguana, where are you? You're still extinct. Are you still extinct? Under the coil. Where are you? Let me rediscover you guys. Wasn't just gonna frighten this run up on your face. Alright, so far I'm not entertained, I'm not amused by anything that I've seen. Now look for something shot. Some regular smegular things man see. I want to see something cool, bro. One of them we sell. Them sell animals legally can be sold like a some of part them pretty, you know. Look at that.
That look like
the colorway is
in a tie and dye.
Yeah, like you can get a hydro dip. You ever you buy hydro dipping? You can get a hydro dip, bro. Like. John. I'm see something over there, so look awesome. I can't. It seem hard something. Yo, we can't come. We not come over see horse and horse stay everywhere in the youth. See what I'm going. Showing ponies. Look at them I walk out of breath. I'm not really fit, you know. It's an excursion thing that take a toll from my body. Jesus. Miniature horse, guided right. Call them pony. Is that the another name for miniature horses? Ponies. I don't like them. Whoa. That's sick. Shell long piece of raw chicken. That's sick star. This alone make me want to go to Africa. This alone, this looks sick. Look at that. Alright, look what is a real lion there?
No, watch the camera. Look at that.
Yeah, not really watch it. This is a 3D. See that shit on the vlog. Now let me see that in 3D. Guys, this thing now focus with yo. Yo, that's sick. Alright, that was sick. He looks like a teddy bear, like a real teddy bear.
Yeah, you're so right. Yeah. You look like a big teddy bear, but you can move.
Yeah, look like a big real teddy bear.
Yeah.
Oh, so we then get him out, then throw food with us and he come out and it's going and clean. Yo, that's sick, sir. Could I come watch this every single day? Good things I never did a sleep or nothing like that. Look on in here and look at them grooming man and clean. You look clean. And then say enjoy look at chicken, you know, youth. So one lion takes so long to eat off one small chicken in a while and a box down all a buffalo in a less than a day. I know I'm more than one, but I mean this that should have been just one swallow. Get it? That's sick. I think in captive they not get as big as was when yeah, wow.
Yeah, so then whiskers can, like, if you try to smoke him, he can stab you.
The whiskers
Yeah,
can't cut it. Look that thing real and that's all. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh no. This not look as close as maybe in a reality on the camera. On the camera I look kinda far, but trust me. If I should look further, I touch him. That's sick. Look at that. Guys, I can't describe this too. Look at that. You hear in tongue?
yeah, I mean.
Yeah, it thing legit lick the meat and you hear like it meat a rip up. Listen. In now biting just a rubbing tongue on it and you're like him a bite it. Like in that means in tongue can't cut it then. You the lion here real enough, huh? Wow. Hear it? Simba! So Simba, how was the movie? How was it? I didn't get the opportunity to watch it as yet. My apologies. It has been so long since the movie has released and I've yet to watch it, but let me ask, how was it? And let me ask another very personal question. How much them pay you? So guys, hold on, let me zoom out, I can't zoom. So unlike I try with the hawk or the eagle sound, I have a lion sound effect. I'm gonna try with the lion sound effect and see if him react to it. Ready, set, go. You know react to it. Let me go again.
Like 5 feet.
Jesus, this. Where's zebra in a Madagascar car?
Alex.
Alex!
No, I lie.
Alex the lion. Marty. He Marty. Can't better Marty than call him. Scientific name, can't pronounce that, brother. Not even gonna embarrass myself and try. Marty! Yeah, I know I can communicate, you know. I knew I could. Zebra eat. Alright, okay. Look like Jackie Lane. Alright. You look like Jackie Lane.
You know what he looks like? Jackie Legs.
Australian national animal. So they call it?
In Australia.
What are the dangles? That's what they call? Dangles. You got hip, hop, hippity hop, hip hop, bop, to the bang bang. Okay? Alright, what else is here to see? I don't know. But so far it has been a vibe, you know. It has been a vibe. Nothing too crazy. There's nothing too crazy so far, but as me say, it has been a vibe. Hope zoom in the farm. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this, but wait. Is a younger one that's in a pouch?
Oh my god.
What the? Hold on.
They look like a
He has a younger kangaroo in the pouch. That look a small thingy. Get it? I can't film that. I can't feel that. That's not a full grown. That's not a grown kangaroo. Yo, I can't believe.
Australian miniature kangaroos.
But I got another fun fact for you guys. A kangaroo has the small when them born, like a young kangaroo, whatever they call them, like them born, I think less than 3 inches in terms of height and size. Less than 3 inches. Them born like this is how them born. This is how small them born. 3 inches. Them born prematurely, like as a zygote or something like that. Fun fact.
One face.
Okay, sit here. Here's some of my best thumbnail. Can I get a thumbnail? It's worthy, thumbnail worthy.
Awesome.
Oh, I'm just gonna show them a drip.
Okay. Show them a drip.
Hey. You get 15, I get 17. I already going 15. Already going 15. Alright, over that side here now. Fast.
No, you can't say. Alright, man gets 17, 19.
19, 20.
No, man gets 17.
17. I guess 18.
Yo, man gets wait, man change to 19.
Bomba! Youth, I'll about 20 days alone. At least 20 days alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Youth, 2 bills out for me again. Oh boy, slider. So far, you know, with none of them. Probably Croc you come closest to winning. Alright guys, with the next to another turtle enclosure. How much I guess?
2.
3. And a fret. 1.
You did see them.
No. See that? All more. 1, 2, 3. A lot more than what you think. So I win again, bro. Jeez. So already me need about at least 2 grand. 2 grand in deep. Flamingos. And sleep on one leg. Like cool. Ah. Well, it is, guys. That concludes my tour. I don't see anything else over here to do. You can't be.
I want to say hello.
Come. Yeah, you know me. Hello. Yeah, we know me here, bro.
Yeah.
No, that's
Man, some say hello.
be that bird or something.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
In Patois University, man.
Wagwan. Oh, there.
Yo,
That's crazy.
he wants to walk.
I laugh. Hello. Wagwan. Go on again. Repeat. Hello. Hello. Huh? Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes. How are you? Wagwan. Yeah.
One boy is an
Yo,
internet, you know you.
it sounds like Wagwan.
Hello.
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 Hello. It sounds like you know when they put like a robot, like when they put one chip in on a bird or something and improve a sound bionic like. Oh, go on. Everything good? Oh, go on. Hungry? 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 Me there, man. Yeah, I mean, it is. Yeah. Wagwan. Wagwan. Hello? Wagwan. Wagwan. Yeah.
I'm telling you all the talk to me.
Jesus. Yo, this is sick. Bye bye.
Alright.
Later. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, I'm speechless today. I'm speechless.
Hello.
It's the first zoo I've ever been to, and the bird actually communicates. Not only just say hello, I have like a one and two bird, one and two word as the bird them around here, so just know hello. This bird freaking talks, man. That's awesome.
Hello.
You can bet they must sell one here about $1 million for this.
Hello.
Bye bye. Alright, that's it. Well, this is my watch the vlog here. Anyways, these my Smash, thanks for watching this vlog. You don't know. So bye bye. Say bye bye. Tell them bye bye. Bye bye. You know I speak right now again. So anyways, Team Smash, thanks for watching this vlog. If you do enjoy this vlog, never you forget to subscribe and like my video. Team Smash, I'm there to the end. You don't know. Now my bird I gonna start par every single day as of today. Cause trust me, him win me while I go here. I'm gonna find out if the bird is for sale and swipe a debit card right now. Anyways, see you in my next vlog, Team Smash. Your boy Ismash is out. Wagwan.
Bye. I did not do the
Wait. You know what I want him say. Bomb.